What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I hope everybody out there is having a blessed day. So as you probably seen in my last video, if you watched it, I was waiting for a package to be delivered and I wasn't able to get my hands on the package until around like 5:15. So I just decided to make a separate video for the shoes, and I was able to secure the box. So let's go ahead and get right into one of the most anticipated Jordans of the year. And as we can see, boom, we got the Air Jordan 1 box. So usually usually a Jordan 1 would come in a black Jordan box, but instead we get a brown box. So if you can see the difference, usually we would get this box, but we got this one. So let's go ahead and get right into the shoes. I'm going to be showing you guys pretty much everything throughout the shoe, like a full in-depth look at the shoe, since I'm kind of team early. So let's go ahead and check out the size label. So we have a men's 9.5, and these are a Air Jordan 1 High OG TS SP, and retail is $175. So it's like a $15 markup on top of normal retail price. And the colorway is sail black and dark mocha. So go ahead and take a look at the label if you want to see that. And let's go ahead and get into the shoes. So when we take the top off, we have a pink tissue paper, and we got the Cactus Jack wording right there, Wings logo, and this little face. I'm not sure what this is. If anybody knows what that is, go ahead and drop that in the comment down below. I'm not really sure. I do see it on a lot of Travis Scott items, but I'm not sure what it means. So anyways, let's go ahead and I'm not gonna lie, I feel like a hype beast. I don't think I've never felt like a hype beast as much as I do now. First glance, the materials don't really look that bad. The Beebs and the Trap, same McKnight. So let's go ahead and take out the other shoe, and there's nothing else in the box. But in case you guys want to see this, it comes with this little green sticker. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it comes with this green sticker in case you want to like legit check or something. Starting off, they give us quite a lot of different lace options. So we got the brown laces right here, got the pink laces, got some red laces, and some off-white laces as well. And then you got the black laces that come inside of the shoe. And then also on the side right here, which is probably the most the thing that stands out the most on the shoe, is this backward swoosh. I think that if the swoosh was moved up a little bit more, like at least halfway into the middle of the side panel, it wouldn't look as bad. But the swoosh towards or touching the midsole kind of throws it off a little bit. But I'm kind of digging the backwards check. And this is not the first time that a Nike shoe has had a backwards check on it. I know some LeBrons previously came with backward swooshes on it, so this is nothing new. This is just, just something that they're revisiting. But of course, Travis Scott is gonna bring more hype to it and give more acknowledgement for the backward swoosh. I want to say this is like a nubuck feel to it. The leather is not that bad. This kind of reminds me of, let me grab. These remind me of the leather on the, what are these, rookies? Yeah, the leather on the rookies. Kind of similar in a way. Let's see if the camera can pick up the details on them. And on the side panels as well. This might actually, could be the same leather. I'm not sure, I'm just talking. But that's what that kind of reminds me of. let's see, on the tongue we have the Nike Air on the tab, and on the side of the tongue we have the Cactus Jack right here in black. On the inside of the shoe we have a white insole with the red Nike Air lettering. And let's see, on the back of the shoe it comes with that same little face from earlier. Once again, I do not know what the face represents. So if you know what the face represents, help me out. Let me know. Drop a comment down below and let me know what's going on with the little face. And also the stash pocket. Wait a minute. This, I think, yeah. So I thought the stash pocket was just on one side of the shoe. I've only seen people show it on one side of the shoe, but it looks like the pocket wraps around the entire collar, ankle collar of the shoe. So this wraps all the way around. So if somebody really want to put something in here, they have a lot of room. I mean, not a lot, but more than just a pocket on one side of the shoe. The heel collar is kind of like I want to say like a vinyl material. Focus, focus, focus. There we go. Got the black Wings logo right there on the heel, on the side of the heel. But yeah, these actually look better in person compared to the images. I'm going to explain to you why I think if you have these early, or if you're able to get them early, why I think you should sell them. I actually already sold this pair for like $1,200 to $1,300 after fees. So I'm gonna be shipping these out today, but I do plan on copying them on release day. And the reason why I sold the pair, even though I'm trying to keep them for the collection, is because right now it's free money. Mainly because if you go look on StockX right now, the prices are already dropping. Let me grab my phone. So like I said, when I sold these, because these dropped last Tuesday on Travis Scott's birthday, and at that point they were still going for between like $1,100 to $1,300 to $1,400. That's when I sold my pair. But right now they're only going for about, I want to say, let me see. So my size, I'm going to pull up my size. So my size is only selling for $879, and that's before fees and all that. So let's see, let's just do a scenario. So let's say you sell it for $879. $879, you add the 8.5% fee. Well, that's where mine's at. It depends on how much you sell on StockX for your transition fee. So 8.5% plus 3% processing fee, which means the cash out right now, it's going to be $777. And today's Tuesday, so we still have a few days for the market to do what it's going to do. But I'm predicting that these are going to be selling on release day, which is May 11th. I feel like these are going to drop to around about $500 to $650, maybe $700 flat at the worst, at least for my size. I'm sure bigger sizes might, crash a little bit harder. But that's the reason why I sold my pair. I just feel like it was the smartest decision to do, because I'll still be getting the shoe and I'll be pocketing money. So if you do want the shoe, I would definitely wait on release day and see if you can get them for a low price. As far as places to cop them, there is a few different places. I'm gonna have a link down below. If you haven't already seen this list, it's a list of all the stores that are getting the Travis Scott ones. And then also I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to put up on the screen the inventory numbers. There was a rumored stock. So you have Undefeated, which is getting 900 pairs over 7 locations. So that's about like 120, 130, something like that pairs per store, which is, I mean, it's a decent amount. It's better than them like raffling off 10, 20 pairs. You got Nike Lab, Jordan Store, SNS, Feature. I mean, I wouldn't really count Feature because, Feature's gonna do Feature, but of course you got the Sneakers app. and totaling overall worldwide, it is 108,000 pairs. So that's the reason why I feel like you can kind of take the risk and wait until release day. Of course, we're going to try to get the shoes for retail. Resale is not going to be that bad, at least not what it was last Tuesday. So either way, like if I do pay resale, let's say worst case scenario, I pay $700 to get the shoes back, I'm still profiting. So that's just one way to look at it when you get early shoes. Most of the time the price is going to drop closer to release date, and then the market's gonna fix itself. Even though all this is guesstimation, these are actually supposed to be coming out in of 2 other colorways. There's supposed to be one that's kind of tailored after the Chicago 1 colorway, and then the other one, which I would like personally, which probably would be to me the best colorway out of the 3. There's like a pair with like a cactus green, so everywhere the brown is, it's like the cactus green colorway. And then on the bottom, on the outsole, it's like a reddish color. So I think those would be dope. So hopefully those do drop. Could drop later on this year or maybe early of 2020. I don't know if I showed you this right here, but on the inner panel, you got the Travis Scott lettering underneath the swoosh. Hopefully everybody's out there able to catch a W, whether you're reselling or if you're trying to get for the personal. That about does it for the video. Let me know what you guys think. I know a lot of you are hyped for the shoe, and yeah, this shoe definitely makes me a hype beast. All of us are hype beasts, whether you admit it or not. We all have hype beast tendencies. But that about does it for the video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.